I'm back. Hello. Today we're gonna do another cooking class again. Yay! Okay, so as you can see, I have a lot of ingredients. Well, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients and only a few materials you need. So today we're gonna make a drink that all adults and all kids will love. And it is very, very, very popular in Korea, but today I'm not making the original recipe with all the ingredients and the coffee machine and all that stuff. We're just making it the simple way. It will taste the same, but it just looks fancier with all the machines and the cafes. So today we're gonna make Butterscotch Latte, and the ingredients we need are pretty simple. So we need some caramel hard candies, but we're using Werther's original caramel. Oh, we're making 2 cups. We're making one for my mom, the one with the coffee in it. And we're making one with no caffeine in it so me and Ari can taste it. So we need 6 candies for each cup. But we're making 2 cups, so we need about 12. Or you can just grind them all up and just use them when you need them. They're so shiny. I put too much out. So we need to put the candies into the mixer and grind it so it's all dusty. Okay, 12. Ooh. Louder than I thought it'd be. Sorry, I'm not very good with candy wrappers. 4. It smells like hardened caramel. It's really loud. Okay, 12 done. Look at all these wrappers. It's raining gold. Okay, closing the top tight so it doesn't open. So you just don't press it all the way. You just do it while stopping it. Sometimes boom, stop, stop. So you have to stage it. That's how the candy gets all dusty and stuff, so it's good. I need headphones for this. Whoa. Look at, it's all dusty now. Like flour, like sugar kinda. A little bit more. So you need to grind it until it's fine. Ah, that's ear splitting. Okay, so it's all fine now, like sugar. Look, doesn't it look like a flour, but it's in sugar form? Open the top. Okay, let's put this in. This reminds me of when I went to the Grove and we always went to C's Candies and we bought the lollipops. It smells like that. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This smells like candy shop, like C's Candy. Let's put this over here. So the preparation is complete. Yay! Okay, so now we're gonna pour 100 milliliters on this. So for 1 cup, it's 50 milliliters, but since we're doing 2 cups, we need 50 times 2 is 100 milliliters. So we did 100 milliliters of heavy whipping cream for the creamy part. So each cup needs 20 grams of this, but we're gonna make 2, so we also need 40. So I'm just gonna reset the scale. Oh, it's on 1 now. Okay. Let's be careful. $36. $40, exactly 40. Okay, so I did exactly 40, and right now it's supposed to be 140, but I just reset it so it's 40. So now I'm gonna make cream by whipping it. Here we go. It's been a long time since I used this baby. So right now it's looking like this. It's becoming stiff now. Like this, it's brown. It's white with brown flecks in it. Okay, I'm done. Okay, so if you do it from 1 to 2 minutes, it will start to get creamy like this. Like it's all sticky and like it's starting to form, but it's quite not. It's very thick. Okay, so I'm done whipping, so I'm gonna just put this aside. Okay, now we're gonna pour about 100 milliliters in. About halfway up. I love lattes. It's so pretty. Okay, now the milk's done. So this one's my mom's, so I'm gonna put 1 shot of espresso in it. Pour it in. Okay. So that's done. Ooh, I'm beginning to smell the coffee. And the cream that we made, we're just gonna pour it right on top. Whoa. Put some more in mine. So it's even. Okay, so this is the result. Look at my mom's and mine. My mom's so much prettier, so I'm just gonna look. So you can see the layers. That's the milk, espresso, and the cream with the espresso mixed in. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? I think my mom will love it. And 1 drop of espresso to make a smiley face. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna put the straws in. Bend. Okay, now I'm gonna try mine. Make sure to mix it before you drink it. Yeah. Mix it in milk. Ah, memories. When I went to the Grove, I always used to go to See's Candy, and you know those chocolate, like those lollipops, like they're kind of caramel squares on a stick? It reminds me of that. My sister loves those. I'm gonna call her. So it was delicious, reminded me many good memories, and plus, if you drink this on Christmas night, it'll be delicious. I wonder if you can eat this warm. And you could also eat this with hot coffee. So like while if you're an adult, you can like drink it while your kids are drinking hot cocoa if you prefer this. Okay, so this is really simple and easy, and it's delicious. And for the powder, you can just pre-make this and then just use it every time you want to drink this. So you can make extra if you want. Then I'll see you next time. Bye! All right.